Belly fat is the most stubborn fat on the human body. You can lose weight everywhere. Your face looks slimmer, your arms shrink, your clothes feel loose. But the belly? It just refuses to go. And the most frustrating part? It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you don't work out. It's definitely not because you lack discipline. It's because you're eating the wrong way at the wrong time. Today, I'll show you how to eat to lose belly fat using a simple system called the 3 eating stages. No extreme dieting, no starvation, no fake fitness advice. Just real practical eating habits that actually work. Why? Belly fat is different. Belly fat isn't just fat, it's hormonal fat. Stress hormones, insulin spikes, poor sleep, inflammation. That's why endless crunches don't work. Random dieting fails. Eat less, move more, doesn't solve it. You don't lose belly fat by eating less, you lose it by eating smarter. And that starts with understanding where you are right now. The 3 eating stages overview. Here's how this works. Stage 1, reset and stabilize. Stage 2, burn and balance. Stage 3, shape and sustain. You don't jump to stage 3, you earn it. Most people fail because they start at the wrong stage. Let's fix that. Stage 1, reset and stabilize. This stage is for people who say, I feel bloated all the time. My belly sticks out even when I don't eat much. I'm always tired. I crave sugar at night. Goal of stage 1. Calm your body before burning fat. You don't burn belly fat in chaos. You burn it in balance. What to stop eating? Sugary drinks, refined carbs, white bread, pastries, late-night junk food. Liquid calories not forever, just for now. What to start eating? Whole foods protein with every meal. Fiber-rich vegetables, healthy fats in small amounts. Example day stage 1. Breakfast, eggs plus vegetables. Lunch, chicken or lentils plus rice plus salad dinner. Fish or tofu plus vegetables. Snacks, fruit, nuts controlled, no calorie counting yet, no extreme rules. Your belly needs calm, not punishment. Stage 2, burn and balance. This is where belly fat actually starts leaving. Stage 2 works because insulin is controlled. Hunger hormones or stable energy improves. Key rule. Eat to control insulin, not calories. What changes in stage 2? Fewer carbs at night, higher protein, better meal timing. Carb timing trick. Eat carbs earlier in the day, reduce them in the evening. Why? Because your body is more insulin sensitive earlier. Protein becomes king. Protein burns more calories to digest, keeps you full, protects muscle, flattens the belly over time. Smart plate rule. 1/2 vegetables, 1/4 protein, 1/4 carbs. Simple, sustainable, powerful. Stage 3, shape and sustain. This stage is for people who say, my belly is smaller, but I want it flatter. I don't want the fat to come back. I want this lifestyle forever. Stage 3 is about precision, not restriction. Key habits: flexible eating, planned indulgences, protein-first meals. Awareness, not obsession. You stop asking, what diet should I follow? And start asking, how does this food make my body feel? That's freedom. Why most diets fail? Most diets fail because they skip stage 1. They rush results, they fight biology, your body always wins. So instead of forcing fat loss, you invite it. Final belly fat truth. Belly fat isn't stubborn, it's protective. When your body feels safe, it lets the fat go. When it feels stressed, it holds on. Eat to support your body, and your belly will respond. If this video helped you understand belly fat differently, subscribe for more real health and fitness guidance that actually works. And remember, you don't lose belly fat by hating your body. You lose it by working with it.